Hello everyone, I am excited to be here. I am Roma. This is my YouTube channel and I'm a Mary Kay Beauty consultant, and this year I'm doing a feature makeup look of the month inspired by the flower of the month. So the March flower of the month is Daffodil. This is a look I call Daffodil Surprise, and these are the colors that we're using. So we're staying with that yellow theme, a little bit of green in there as well. So it's going to be a very elegant look. I'm excited about it. So let's get started. We're going to start with Biscotti. So basically we've got Biscotti and Moonstone, which is our yellow tones. And Biscotti is a matte and Moonstone is a shimmer. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the Biscotti and my all over eyeshadow brush, and we're going to put the matte color on the top part of your eyelid. So above the crease, underneath the eyebrow. It's going to go all in there. And then we are going to take the Moonstone, which is the one that has the shimmer to it. And this is going to go on the lower part. It's really pretty. Then when you open your eyes, you get that, or when you close your eyes, you get that glimmer of shimmer. I totally didn't even think of that being rhyming, but super fun. And it's a little more subtle when you have your eyes open, because all you see is sort of the matte color. Then what we're going to do is I'm going to take our crease brush, which has a bit of an angle to it, and I'm going to take Moss, which is a deep green color, and we're just going to put this in the corners to add some depth. So of course this is quite a dark color, but honestly, when you put it on, you don't have to go like super deep. You can control how much is going on, and you can see that it's actually, when it goes on, it's actually quite subtle. So just basically in that outer third of your eyelid, if you put your pinky finger on your eyelid, that's probably about the space that you want to put the color on. If it looks messy or uneven, totally fine. We're going to work with that. So how to work with that is you take our big blending brush, which is a little softer. The bristles are a little bit longer, and we're just going to blend that in. So we're going to bring it from the outside in, so that there's no stark lines between the colors. And I look like I have a little bit more on one side than the other, so I'm just going to add some color in on this side. Take that fluffy blending brush, blend it in. And with this, because there's not a lot of color going on the eyes, we're going to take our liquid eyeliner. I'm going to do a line on the top lid. If you find it too difficult to do a stripe across, you can just do little brush strokes, and do the other side. And I am going to do a little bit of a wing with this. So I'm just going to come to the corner as if I was lining my bottom line. I'm just going to go right up. I'm going to follow that same curve from the bottom line, take it up, and then just tidy it up. So we've got a little bit of a wing there. We're going to use our Lash Intensity Mascara, which provides intensity to our lashes. And again, I have super fine hair and super fine lashes, so on you it's going to be plus, 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 but on me this is plus, plus, plus. So I'm going to wiggle it up along the lashes and then spin it a little bit to get more product on there. Some volume. So very subtle eye look. I wanted to stay with sort of the soft, sweet pink feel of spring. So our cheek color that we're going to be using is Darling Pink. I'm going to take our cheek brush, just that big rounded part, get some color on that. smile. And that color just goes into the apples of the cheeks, up to the hairline. You can see again, that's very subtle color. Instead of going bold on the lips, I'm actually gonna do sort of a deeper light shade. So it's called First Blush, or sorry, Blush Velvet. And it is one of our lipstick colors. So I'm just gonna get some of that out. And you can see there's quite a bit of depth of color there, even though it's a neutral. So that is how we're going to balance it out on the lips. And that is our look for the month, Daffodil Surprise. Thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoyed yourself and you got some new ideas. Enjoy your day.